In the Amazon, every animal group has more species than anywhere else. And that includes frogs. There are thought to be over 1,000 different kinds of them here. And new ones are still being discovered. Frogs are an indicator of a healthy forest, but its most important residents are the jungle's smallest inhabitants. There are thought to be over 2 million kinds of insect in the Amazon. These are the most numerous. A colony of leafcutter ants can run into the million. Each colony is a superorganism with a collective function: to gather leaves and carry them back to their underground nests.